Okay, so in this video I want to show you how I made this DIY dumbbell, and obviously I didn't make the plates or the clamps, but I want to show you how I made this bar in here. So it's really sturdy, it's like perfect grip, and I think you can load up enough of it. So let's break this down and let me show you what kind of parts I have for it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So let me show you how I made this one, and let's start with all the parts that I used for it. Okay, so this is all of the parts that I just cut up and prepared, and I'm ready to weld actually. And this one is galvanized beam, so I'm gonna make sure to ventilate enough. As you saw in the blueprint that I just showed you, this is my sleeve that's gonna go over the handle, and it's supposed to be a rather snug fit with the weight base. It's a little bit small, but it's gonna work fine anyway. And then this one is just gonna go over here to prevent the waste from sliding off onto my hand. So super simple, only 5 parts per dumbbell. So this is what it looks like after a little bit of welding, a little bit of cutting, a lot of sanding and polishing. I used a polishing flat disc on here, and then I used this Scotch-Brite to just matten down the surface. The dimensions that I got here are about, well, 48, it should be 50 millimeters. This one is 60 millimeter on the outside, and this one is 40. Typically the grip wouldn't be more than 27 to 30 millimeters, but since I have rather large hands, I figured this is gonna be perfect for me. One more thing to note is that this piece of the pipe, I didn't put it centered because it was gonna be really hard to weld it on that way, so I put it off center, and that actually prevents it from rolling away on the floor. So if I'm not having any weights on it, it's not going to go all across the room. The weight is 2.5 kilo. Let's see, shake test. It works pretty good. Okay guys, so that's all I had for this video. So I hope you like this little mini project. I really enjoyed making these kind of projects and these kind of videos. Small projects, so I have a few more coming up. But if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow if you want to see more of this kind of content. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.